Hello all, nice to see you again. Today we will discuss past papers, Pirma 3, that is paper 32, May-June 2020. Now this is question number 4. A curve has an equation y equals cos x times sin 2x. Find the x coordinate of the stationary point in the interval x from 0 to pi over 2, giving your answer correct to 3 significant figures. At this stationary point, dy dx equals 0. Thus, first we have to differentiate y with respect to x. Thus, this is the product of cos x and sin 2x. Thus, here we will use the product rule of differentiation. Thus, y equals cos x times sin 2x. dy dx equals cos x times differentiation of sin 2x, thus plus differentiation of cos x times sin 2x. Thus, that is here. Cos x times ddx of sin 2x plus ddx of cos x times sin 2x. Differentiation of sin 2x, that is cos 2x times differentiation of 2x, that is 2. Thus, sin 2x times 2, cos 2x times 2. Thus, that is 2 cos 2x. And the differentiation of cos x, that is minus sin x. Thus, dy dx equals cos x times 2 cos 2x plus minus sin x times sin 2x. That is equals this one times that one, that is 2 cos x cos 2x, and this one times this one, that is minus sin x sin 2x. Now, next step we will use double angle identities. Thus, we want to change 2x becomes x, also here sin 2x, and cos 2x, that is equals 1 minus 2 sin squared x, and sin 2x equals 2 sin x cos x. Thus, 2 cos x times, thus cos 2x we replace by 1 minus 2 sin squared x minus sin x sin 2x, that is 2 sin x cos x. 2 cos x times 1, that is 2 cos x. 2 cos x times minus 2 sin squared x, that is minus 4 cos x sin squared x. And then this one sin x times 2 sin x cos x, that is 2 cos x sin squared x. Minus 4 cos x sin squared x minus 2 cos x sin squared x, that is minus 6 cos x sin squared x. And here factorize, put out the brackets 2 cos x, thus 2 cos x times 1 minus 3 sin squared x, and then dy dx equals 0, thus equate 0 here. Now, thus this is 0 or that one 0. Thus 2 cos x equals 0 or cos x equals 0. X is pi over 2. But that is not in the domain, thus we reject it. Or if this one 0 means sin squared x equals 1 over 3. Sin x equals plus minus 1 per square root of 3. No, sin x equals minus 1 per square root of 3. Thus, that is x will be lies in the third and fourth quadrant. Thus, again, x not in the domain. Thus, also this value of x or x here is rejected. Another, sin x equals 1 per square root of 3. X is shift sign 1 per square root of 3. Now, you can enter it in the calculator. We obtain x equals 0.615. Thus, that is the answer for this question. Thus, there is only one answer for this question. Question number 5, 5a. Express square root of 2 cos x minus square root of 5 sin x in the form r cos x plus r alpha, where r more than 0 and alpha in between 0 and 90 degree. Give the exact value of r and the value of alpha correct to 3 decimal places. Now, thus here r cos x plus alpha equals this one. Thus r cos x plus alpha equals square root of 2 cos x minus square root of 5 sin x. Now, this is the sum of two angles. If we expand it, that is cos x plus alpha, that is cos x cos alpha minus sin x sin alpha. Those here r cos x plus alpha, those that is equals r cos x cos alpha minus r sin x sin alpha equals this one, those square root of 2 cos x minus square root of 5 sin x. Now here we will comparing the coefficient. Those first we compare the coefficient of sin x in the right hand side and the left hand side. Those here the coefficient of sin x here, that is the same sign here, minus, those that is the same. Now coefficient of sin x here, that is r sin alpha, and coefficient of sin x here, that is square root of 5, and the coefficient of cos x here and here is that is r cos alpha, and here is square root of 2. Now let this one the question number 1, and this is question number 2. Question number 1 divided by question number that is equation. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now equation number 1 divided by equation number 2, thus that is this one divided by that one. R sin alpha divided by r cos alpha equals this one divided by that one, that is square root of 5 per square root of 2. Now here cancel r, thus sin alpha per cos alpha, that is sin alpha equals square root of 5 over 2, that is square root of 2.5. Now alpha, that is shift tan square root of 2.5, thus enter it in calculator. We obtain alpha is 57.688 degree, 3 decimal places. That is according to the question, correct to 3 decimal places. Now further, equation number 1 squared plus equation number 2 squared. Thus equation number 1 squared, that is this is squared, thus r squared sin squared alpha plus this is squared, that is r squared cos squared alpha, and this is squared, that is 5, and this is squared, that is 2, thus 5 plus 2. And then for this term the left hand side factorization, thus put r squared out the bracket, thus r squared times sin squared alpha plus cos squared alpha equals 5 plus 2 is 7, and this is 1, sin squared alpha plus cos squared alpha is 1, thus r squared equals 7, or r is, that is square root of 7 since r more than 0. Thus square root of 2 cos x minus square root of 5 sin x equals square root of 7 cos x plus 57.688 degree. B, question B, hence solve the equation square root of 2 cos 2 theta minus square root of 5 sin 2 theta equals 1 for theta in between 0 and 180 degree exclusive. Now thus square root of 2 cos 2 theta minus square root of 5 sin 2 theta equals 1. No, that is has been obtained before. Thus this is equals that one. Thus square root of 7 cos 2 theta plus 57.688 degree equals 1. No, cos 2 theta plus 57.688 degree, that is 1 divided by square root of 7. Now you see here cos of this one, that is positive. Thus cos positive, that is in the first and fourth quadrant. Now first we calculate the basic angle. Basic angle, that is alpha in this figure. Alpha, that is shift cos 1 per square root of 7, that is 67.7923 degree. No, that is the first value, of the this one, that is alpha, and the second value, that was this one. No, to theta plus 57.688 degree, that is in the first, that is equals alpha, that is equals basic angles, that is 67.7923. Thus 2 theta equals this one minus that one, and then divided by 2, thus we obtain theta is 5.1 degree. Now the second value, that is 2 theta plus 57.688 degree equals this That is 360 minus basic angle. 360 minus basic angle, that is 67.7923. That is equals that one, 292.2077 degree. And from this equation, we obtained theta equals 117.3 degree. That is all, and thank you. See you in the next video.